Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel. And in this video, I will tell you and also show you how you can create highlights in Instagram app. Don't forget, dear friends, please put your likes under the video and also write comments definitely yours and subscribe to the channel. Well, let's get down to our topic with you. And first of all, please open up the Instagram app. And I'm going to show you two methods on how you can create these highlights. First, I want to show you what highlights are and where you can find them. To do that, go to your page or I'll show you on mine. So look, there's a section like this above your posts. It's called highlights. More specifically, these are stories that you've previously added and you've saved them permanently. And now at any time you or anyone who views your page can view those stories. To add them on a permanent basis, you have two options. First, friends, let's you and I create a story of some sort. So, we're going to choose a photo. Now you have two options. The first is to click on the arrow. Next, select Best Friends. Continue. And now you only have to select one person, for example, in Best Friends, so that a lot of people don't see the story. Or you can, as usual, just look at the Best Friends list and make sure that only the people you like are there. And then right here right away you can click on this option right here, Add to Highlights. And then you can either add to highlights that's already done, or you can click on the plus to create. So you're creating a new highlights folder. And as you can see, you can sign it somehow. You can add emoji and so on. Click Add Now. Done. And this story will be added not only to your history, but also to your new highlights. Also, friends, you can also, without using the Best Friends options, to create such highlights in Instagram. For that, let's go to adding a story once again. Let's pick some photo. And next, friends, just please click on the arrow. Now switch to your story and share. Now just like that you can hear, friends, click Add to Highlights and choose a folder or create a new one. Click Ready. And that way you'll have multiple stories as you can see, like a best friend story and a regular story for everyone, but they'll both be added to highlights. That's the way you can create highlights on Instagram, friends. I really hope you found the video useful. Don't forget to put your likes, write your comments, and also subscribe to our channel. Bye everyone, friends.